need you guys to march it all the way forward up to this imaginary line. Come on forward, everybody. We're all family. We're all friends here in Andy's backyard. Very good. Excellent. Now what we have here is the imaginary line. We do not want to cross that line for my safety and yours. Can I get a sir? Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Very good. Happy birthday.
Sir, West Curse, we're going to get over here on the right side. And then we can bring it about 5 or 6 steps closer. Just left side, good to go. Excellent job. Right up to about here.
Green Army Drum Corps, Operation Have a Good Time has begun. Private, let's do Cadence 2.
Cadence 2, sir. Sir.
Backyard. We are the Green Army Drum Corps!
Welcome!
And it is our mission to provide you with music and fun.
That's right.
So let's have a good time, and that's in order.
Yes, sir.
All right, troops, roll call. I'm on tenors.
I got the snare. I'm green. Soldier, so is your bass drum. All right, sir. Thank you, sir, about that. False alarm. I'm on the bass drum.
Hey, excellent job, soldier. Now let's show what we can really do. Slab 1.
Slab 1. Sir, yes, sir.
But first, I'm going to need all of you civilians to give me your best salute. Get them high, get them high. Excellent job, at ease.
Try this one on, civilians. Binoculars. Good. Look at it. Excellent job. Now, let's hear a big sir, yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Excellent job. Thank you.
Oh, no, 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 you're not getting away that easy. Was that enough?
No.
Do you want to hear more?
Yes.
Private, get out here.
All right, hey, let's get those hands clapping now. Yeah, come on, get them going. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get ready to groove.
Let's go, Bones.
Operation Have a Good Time is mission accomplished! And now on to our next mission.
Hey, whoa, sir. What is the next mission? I think it's time to go get a churro.
Woohoo! Not quite, Private. Even better than that, let's go ride Slinky Dogs.
Slinky Dogs! Sir, yes, sir. Left and right and left and stride. That churro can't wait, it's time to ride. 1,